further I am going to share one yummy and very delicious recipe that is from India, and that is called achari shrimp. So what is achari? I will use some pickle flavor on the marination, and we will make one mint coriander green chutney or dip with that. Indian spices and flavors are very famous throughout the world. So today I am going to use all Indian spices and pickle flavor from India, and it is going to be a very delicious, some flavorful green shrimp, just perfect for your party. So let's see what all ingredients are there for my achari grilled shrimp. So I have some jumbo shrimp, head clean and deveined, and it's very clean, you can see. I have ginger garlic paste, approximately 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons roasted gram flour, 3 tablespoons yogurt, half teaspoon red chili powder, some lemon, some Indian pickle. I am using this mother's recipe, pepper, salt, chaat masala, and organic plant breast food. Let's mix all the ingredients together and make the marination. We'll mix with the shrimp and we'll grill it in the oven. Yogurt goes in, ginger garlic paste goes in, pickle, red chili powder, roasted gram flour, lime juice, salt, pepper, chaat masala, 5 to 6 tablespoons white oil, and mix well. Look at this vibrant color, just 2 drops food color. Mix well. I can smell the aroma of the pickle and chaat masala, everything that is going to give a very spicy kick to your taste. Now we'll coat each and every shrimp properly with this mixture, and we'll rest it for half an hour. Look at this vibrant color. So now our marination is done, and I am going to keep it inside the freezer for half an hour. Cover it properly and put it inside the freezer for half an hour. So by that time our shrimp is resting inside the freeze for half an hour. With that half an hour we'll make one mint and coriander dip that is called green chutney in India. Fresh herbs or fresh leaves will give a refreshing flavor to your dishes, whatever you make. I have some fresh coriander. It's always give flavorful mix. I'm taking some handful of coriander. I have some mint, few mint leaves, few garlic pods, half green chili, 2 tablespoons yogurt, salt, pepper, and olive oil. So here is our chopped coriander is ready. So we'll put inside the grinder and we'll grind together everything. Garlic and green chili, yogurt, salt, pepper. I have some crushed ice cube. Just put in the grinder
and grind to maintain the color and maintain the temperature. So it's done. Let's see how it is. Look at this dark green color. After putting the eyes, the colors are not got spoiled and it's so looking so delicious. So we'll pour and mix with olive oil now. Just mix with some olive oil. This looks perfect for any dip. You can use it for any other grilling option or your chips or your sandwich. This chutney goes really well. In our oven, we are taking out our shrimp, marinated shrimp from the freezer, and now we are going to place it on a baking tray and grill it in 500 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's put inside the oven 500 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes. So our shrimp is out after 15 minutes of 500 degree grilling, and look at this smoky texture. So it has become charred and I'm getting the smoky smell, and it is going to be very tasty with our chutney. Hi friends, here is our colorful, beautiful grilled shrimp is ready with our mint and garlicky chutney, and just try it. It looks so yum. Isn't it delicious? And you can make it within a very short time if you are getting sudden guests at home or you are having friends at home. It's just like that. You can make in your weekend also. And don't forget to come back next week, this time at sinkintomycreation.com. And don't forget to follow me in YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe and share www.youtube.com/sinkintomycreations. And in my blog www.sinkintomycreations.com. This blog I keep updating every week 2 to 3 recipes. Recently in India, Ganesh Puja is going on, so I updated the modak recipe today. And